Hey guys, for today's video, palit na naman tayo ng wheel bearing guys ng Honda City. Honda City naman to ngayon guys. Ito yung ating papalit na wheel bearing guys. Ito yung kayang luma guys. Maugong na kasi guys pagka nananakbo. So nilinis na rin natin pati yung kanyang brake shoe. So kakabit na lang natin to guys. Pati yung kabila guys. Palit na rin natin ang wheel bearing. So yun guys, nakabit na natin yung wheel bearing. So adjust lang natin ito guys para gumanda yung kanyang handbrake. Medyo mataas na rin kasi guys kaya adjust na natin. So yun guys, tapos na yung ating pinilitan na wheel bearing Honda City. Bye bye na guys, thank you for watching.